Yo, what's good guys, producer Mykah here, and today guys I'm gonna be showing you how to create some amazing sexy melodies in FL Studio using some amazing plugins. And we're gonna be drawing inspiration from London's latest song featuring Ira Star and Black. So without wasting time guys, let's go. Without wasting time guys, let me just play you what I did here, and I'm gonna show you how to create those sexy and beautiful melodies. Yeah, so basically that's like everything that was played all through the song. So but for this video I just want to show you guys how you can actually just create those amazing melodies. So let me just solo what the melodies are played so you hear what I'm talking about. So we have this kind of melody. Before to create this kind of melody, all you need to do is like create the melody, now bounce it out, then reverse it to to create that kind of reverse effect. But right now with this plugin, I talked about this plugin in my last video, which is called SKY. So in case you've not gotten it, just go get it. It has this, so it's just creating this amazing effect that you're actually hearing on this beat. So with the first melody, which is our guitar, and this is what our guitar chord progression is playing. Let me just solo that. And for this I'm using Driller. I've talked about this plugin also. So the link to get this plugin is gonna be in the description of this video. So in case you just want to try out these plugins, just click on the link and you have access to them. So I'm using this plugin and I'm using this guitar called Baby Guitar 02. And let me just turn off the effects. So without the effect, this is what the melody sounds like. It sounds really nice. So all I just did was to add a parametric EQ just to cut out some of the lows. Let me just turn that on. So we have this. So just cutting out the low, and then I'm adding drip. So drip is just giving it that kind of effect. And for drip, I'm using the lo-fi effect. So this is what it sounds like. Giving it that analog kind of feel. It sounds really beautiful. So without it. So with it we have this. Then for the next melody, this is what the next melody sounds like. And I'm using SKY keys. Sky key is very, very beautiful. So you have this, this reverse knob here, and all you just need to do is turn it on, and it reverse any melody or any sound that is being played. So it's that same melody, the same melody of the guitar. Let me just turn off the reverse so you see what I'm saying. Let me just turn it off. So you have this. So with the reverse, oh, this is beautiful. Like, so we have those sexy kind of melodies here. So together we have this. Nice and beautiful guys, nice and beautiful. Then the next is another melody, basically the same sky plugin, and I'm using this about time, the default sounds that once you open up the plugin, default sound, and this is what that sounds like. Let me just some beautiful melodies. So all together we have this. Yep, then we bring in our bass. So this is just the way you can create some sexy guitar melodies, and just playing around with your chords, breaking down your chords. So instead of just playing like for here now, I'm moving from the, let me just show you what I'm moving. We are the key of G. So I've just moved from the 2 to the 3, then to the 6. 2 3 6. So instead of just playing my chords, the standard way, which is from our 2. Yeah, so instead of just play your chords like that, you could just break it up, and with having a nice plugin like the driller plugin with lots of guitar, presets there, we can have some beautiful melodies, guys. So then we go into the drums, or let me say the bass. So for the bass, I'm using this one-shot bass from Jeb Park, and it's called Amaya bass. So this is what it sounds like. Yeah, so basically just playing the root note of, the chord progression. Then we have our drums. So we have our drums. Yeah, and this is what the drum is just playing. So let me just play it on the, I know you guys would like to see it on the channel rack. Yeah. Yeah, so we have our drums, just the skeleton of the drums with a swing of around 13%. And I forgot to tell you guys the tempo. The tempo is 99 BPM. So, we have that. So let me just put it out. Then with this shaker from Sabara Sounds. They already have the groove. So, there with the bass. Then with some other shakers. Then we have these rim shots. Yeah. So together I have. That's basically like the whole vibe that was playing all through this song. Nothing much. So with our guitar melody. So it's all about creating some nice and beautiful melodies. Trust me, you could just create some simple drums and you are good to go. So yeah, and if you're in the Patreon, you're gonna get access to this FLP, to play around with. So I think that's basically everything that was playing all through this song. There were some live guitar plays too. I'm sure the main guitar was also live, but I just tried to emulate it using plugins to show you guys that you can actually create some realistic sounding melodies using plugins. Yeah, so we can do some hits. Let's go over to some drum fills. Yes. Yeah, so we can have that. Guys, man, so go try out, like I always said in the last video, go try out SKY plugin. That plugin is amazing. And you can also go try out Driller. Driller is also an amazing plugin by Producer Sources, man. Nice plugins, guys, to create some amazing vibe. So that's how you create some sexy melodies using Sky plugin. And you could also just use some effects like the drift plugin just to get that feel.
Since they're going inside, midnights, see vibes that way in my soul they need now. When they get wild tonight, it is never late for me time. Inside, many things they're going inside. I call me, I go counter. You love me, I love you, not kupenda. But nobody bother me, no go answer. I get it, no accidental drama, no never. Don't touch my antenna, but it'saba, no day you go back, you raba,
Yep, guys, so this was a quick tutorial and I hope you got something from this. If you did, give me a thumbs up, and if you want access to this FLP, you just have to be in the Patreon and you will have access to this FLP and other amazing stuffs, on the Patreon channel. Thank you guys for watching and see you guys in the next video. Peace.